Karen Nyamu has penned a goodbye message to Samidoh as he embarks on his USA and UK tour, which will go up to December. Na Karen Nyamu nĩaugĩte atĩ they will miss him, the babies will miss their daddy, na akamwĩra kĩrathimo mũno and to also have fun ithe wa ciana. This is what she shared on her Instagram, akiuga poor babies will miss daddy the most, may you have a successful tour, rathimo and have fun ithe wa twana. And then she shared this photo here of Samidoh and all the kids, two of their kids that they've had together, and also Karen Nyamu's eldest daughter with a sticker that read Super Dad. Na onake Samidoh nĩacokete akaugira kwaheri mafans ake. Sending out his thank you and gratitude to all his fans, nikumunyitira, and seeing to it that his music career goes to great heights. Now he shared this message here on Facebook, akiuga, my fans, my deepest gratitude to you all for making my music career wonderful and enjoyable this far. You have inspired me a great deal. I am eternally grateful for the encouragement, support, motivation, and positive vibes. To my Kenyan fans, I will miss you a lot for the next 2 months I will be away. See you again during Christmas festive season. For USA, UK, Qatar, Mugithi tour, I'm on my way. For yesterday's event, special appreciation to you all who made it, for making it a colorful event. Cheers. Wow, Samidoh now will be embarking on a USA tour. Acoke akaigira UK, acoke arĩkĩrĩrie na Qatar, then he'll be back in the country around Christmas time. Nakera mafans ake a Kenya, he will miss them a lot. It will be 2 months away from them. Na akamacokeria ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩ ũguo marĩa yumĩrĩtie on his farewell event. A special appreciation to them, akamacokeria ngatho cia mwanya mũno. Na onao nĩmacokete makamwendithĩria a safe travel, a safe USA tour, a successful USA tour. Nona akĩingĩra UK na akĩrĩkĩrĩria na Qatar, all the success. Manjiru babake Claire akiuga safe flight, great shows, and God always protect and be with you. Tutawamiss. Onake Banis Saroni kuma America aki welcome Samidoh akimwĩra welcome to America, Boston, we are waiting, ready to cruise all the 12 states and win. Safe journey my friend, see you tomorrow. Ona Alasi akamwĩra keep winning brother, Mugithi to the world. Mother Waweru, have a nice time there. I personally will miss you a lot, Sam. Na till Thursday aje sasa, have a nice time there and may God's favor be upon you, bro. Na ona ithuĩ tukamwendithĩria all the best in those 2 months that he will be away. May it be a successful tour and may he get back into the country safe and sound. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.